Class 10th, subject mathematics, topic linear equation, of two variables. Chapter 3, part 3rd. Question number 9. Exercise number 3.2. Question number 9. X plus y upon xy equal to 2. Equation first, and x minus y upon xy equal to 6. Equation 2. Solve by substitution method. Solution. From equation first, x plus y upon xy equal to 2. Divide by xy, x upon xy plus y upon xy equal to 2. 1 upon y plus 1 upon x equal to 2. One upon y equal to 2 minus 1 upon x. 1 upon y equal to LCM of x, 2x minus 1. Cross multiply y 2x minus 1 equal to x, then y equal to x upon 2x minus 1. Equation third. Putting the value of y the value of equation 2, value of y, equation 2. One upon y, 1 upon x upon 2x minus 1. Minus 1 upon x equal to 6. 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x equal to 6. LCM of x, 2x minus 1 minus 1. Two x minus 1, 2x minus 2 upon x equal to 6. Cross multiply. 2x minus 2 equal to 6x. 2x minus 6x equal to 2 minus 4x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1 upon 2. Putting the value of x equal to minus 1 upon 2 in equation third. Putting value of x equal to minus 1 upon 2 in equation 3. Y equal to x upon 2x minus 1. Minus 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1. Minus 1 upon 2 minus cancel. Minus 1 upon 2 minus 2. Y equal to 1 upon 4. Answer is x equal to minus 1 upon 2, y equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. Question number 15. Two upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13. Equation first. 5 upon x and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. Equation 2. Solution. From equation first, 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13. 2 upon x equal to 13 minus 3 upon y. 2 upon x equal to 13y minus 3 upon y. Ix cross multiply. Ix 13y minus 3 equal to 2y. X equal to 2y upon 13y minus 3. Equation 3. Putting the value of x equal to 2y upon 13y minus 3 in equation 3. Equation 2. Equation 2. 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. 5 upon 2y upon 13y minus 3 minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. Five into 13y minus 3 upon 2y minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. 65y minus 15 upon 2y minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. LCM of 2y. 65y minus 15 minus 8 equal to minus 2. Let 1 cross multiply. 65y minus 15 minus 8 equal to minus 4y. 65y plus 4y equal to 23. Then 65y plus 4y adding 69y equal to 23. Then y equal to 23 upon 69. Y equal to 1 upon 3. Putting the value of x equal to 2y, putting the value of y equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 3. X equal to 2y upon 13y minus 3. Two upon 3 upon 13 upon 3 minus 3. 2 upon 3, 13 minus 9 upon 3, 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 1 upon 2. Y equal to 1 upon 2. Answer x equal to value of x equal to 1 upon 2, x equal to 1 upon 2, y equal to 1 upon 3. Question number 19. Solve bx upon a minus ay upon b equal to minus a plus b equation first, and bx minus ay equal to minus 2ab. Solution. From equation first, bx upon a minus ay upon b equal to minus a plus b. bx upon a equal to ay upon b minus a plus b upon 1. bx upon a equal to LCM of b, ay minus ab plus b square. Cross multiply b square x equal to a square y minus a square b plus b square a. X equal to a square y minus a square b minus b square a upon b square. Equation 3. Putting the value of x equal to a square y minus a square b minus b square a upon b square in equation 2. bx minus ay equal to 2ab. b value of x is a square y minus a square b minus b square a upon b square minus ay equal to 2ab. We cancel. LCM of b, a square y minus a square b minus b square a minus ab y upon b equal to 2ab. Cross multiply a square y minus ab y minus a square b minus b square a equal to 2ab square. Y common, a square minus ab equal to 2ab square plus a square b plus b square a. A common, ab common, 2b plus a plus b. A common, a minus b. ab 3b plus a. A minus b.
is 2